हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम अंकिता गांधी और आज हम लोग पॉक्सो एक्ट के रिगार्डिंग कुछ एमसीक्यूज देखने वाले हैं जो आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकते हैं. देखिए, द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट पॉक्सो एक्ट ऑफ 2012 इज एप्लीकेबल टू फर्स्ट होल इंडिया और एक्सेप्ट जम्मू कश्मीर और ओनली इन द स्टेट्स. So the answer is it is applicable to whole of the India. 2019 में इसका अमेंडमेंट हुआ था जहाँ पे इसको all of the India कर दिया गया है. The next question is, तो what is the age of the child as per the POCSO Act? It is anytime anyone who is below 18 years of the age. तो अगर आप देखेंगे सेक्शन 2 क्लॉज डी में चाइल्ड इज डिफाइंड, तो पॉक्सो के लिए ऑब्वियसली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच स्टेटमेंट स्टैंड्स वैलिड इन रिगार्ड टू द पॉक्सो एक्ट? फर्स्ट, every crime against the children must be reported as per the POCSO Act. Second, those who do not report the sexual offences against the children may be punished as per the Act. So, for the POCSO, the second statement obviously is right. Next question, the police are required to report the matter of the child sexual abuse to the Child Welfare Committee within 24 hours. तो आप जब रिपोर्टिंग के सेक्शंस देखेंगे तो वहां पे क्या है, 24 आवर्स के विदिन जो है हमें रिपोर्ट करना है. ठीक है, 1920 सेक्शंस के अराउंड. नेक्स्ट, द पुलिस आर रिक्वायर्ड टू परफॉर्म द फॉलोइंग ड्यूटीज एज पर द पॉक्सो एक्ट. अरेंज फॉर द सेफ्टी ऑफ द चाइल्ड. नेक्स्ट, टेक द मैटर टू चाइल्ड वेलफेयर कमेटी विद इन द 48 आवर्स ऑफ द रिपोर्ट. तो जो पॉक्सो एक्ट में है सेफ्टी के लिए करना है, जो सेकंड वाला जो आपका हो जाता है कि हमें चाइल्ड वेलफेयर कमेटी को रिपोर्ट करना, दैट गोज विद जुवेनाइल जस्टिस एक्ट. सो आंसर इज ओनली वन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द प्रिंसिपल्स फॉर द यूज ऑफ प्रोफेशनल एंड एक्सपर्ट्स असिस्टिंग द चाइल्ड एट प्री ट्रायल आर. सो व्हाट आर द प्रिंसिपल्स फॉर द प्री ट्रायल? राइट टू बी ट्रीटेड विद डिग्निटी एंड कंपैशन, यस. द बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द चाइल्ड, yes. Right to life and survival, yes. So answer will be all of the above. Next, which of the following for POCSO is true? That POCSO Act provides for the compensation for the medical expenses for the child offended. Yes, it is true. Medical expenses may be provided after the registration of FIR only. Both are correct. When was POCSO Act implemented? So the date is 14 November 2012. Which section of the POCSO Act deals with the punishment for the penetrative sexual assault? तो section is 4. तो आपको 3, 4, 5, 12 तक sexual harassment तक बहुत important punishments and everything you have to go through. Which section of the POCSO Act deals with the punishment for the storage of the pornographic material involving the child? Section 15. जो DGS का एग्जाम हुआ था यहाँ पे अभी लास्ट ईयर, तो यहाँ इसी एरिया से क्वेश्चन आया था एंड दे आस्क्ड द पनिशमेंट. Section 25 of the POCSO Act deals with recording of the statement of the child by the magistrate. The punishment for failure to report or record a case is provided in Section 21 of the POCSO Act. Now, Section 37 provides for the trial to be conducted in camera. Which section of the POCSO Act deals with the presumption of the culpable mental state? That is Section 30. So, presumption is there. And because of this presumption only, harsher is the act. So question 15. Section 12 deals with punishment for the sexual harassment. अभी आपको बताया है, यहाँ तक आपको बहुत importantly पढ़ के जाना ही है. Which section of the POCSO Act deals with the punishment for using the child for the pornographic purposes? Section 14. Next question 17. Section 35 of the POCSO Act deals with period for recording of the evidence of the child and the disposal of the case, right? Question 18. Who presented the draft code for the child rights in India? This is very important. Special Expert Committee under Justice V.R. Krishnan Iyer. Question 19. Mark the correct options. So if you see 4 में penetrative sexual assault है, right. 42 में alternate punishment है, right. And 24 में recording of the statement है, तो ये भी आपका ठीक है. तो आंसर will be all of the above. Next, mark the incorrect. 25, recording of the statement of the child by the magistrate, that is correct. 28 में special courts, that is also correct. And 40 में right of the child to take the assistance of the experts. So all are right. So answer will be none. Now, in which case it was held that conviction under Section 7 or 8 can be a basis on the basis of sole testimony, that is Ganeshan versus State. On which of the following judgments recently given by the Honorable Supreme Court there was a split verdict on the POCSO whether section 155(2) CRPC applies to the investigation of the offence under 23 POCSO or not? The answer is Gandhar Narayan Nayak versus State of Karnataka. So 2-judge bench was there. One said the one version, other said the other version. The protection of the child from the sexual offences 2012 is exhaustive? No, it is not exhaustive. क्योंकि हमारे पास IPC भी है, then Juvenile Justice Act भी है, so it is not exhaustive. In which of the following cases it was held that at the right of the accused to cross-examine the victim, that is, child cannot be denied mainly on the basis of section 33? Answer is Mohit versus State of Uttarakhand. Next, in the case of Ramesh Tukaram Vekar versus State of Maharashtra, it was held that section 2W CRPC में victim includes the child which is begotten by the victim under POCSO Act. This is important question. Please mark it. Next, the authority is responsible for monitoring the implementation of the POCSO Act is National Commission for the Protection of the Child Rights. Next question. Which among the following is not to be included in interpreting the words and expressions used under protection of this POCSO Act? It is Evidence Act. The evidence of the child shall be recorded within the period of how many days? 30 days of the court taking the cognizance of the offence, and reasons for delay, if any, shall be recorded by the special court. Next, which section statement stands valid in regard to the POCSO Act? The first statement is every crime against the children must be reported as per POCSO. Next, those who do not report the sexual offences against the children may be punished as per the Act. Only 2. This question also we have done before. Now, the police are required to report the matter of the child abuse within how many hours? 24 hours. What can be the reasons for the child interrogation as per the POCSO Act? To establish whether the child needs the urgent medical attention? Yes, it can be reason. Next, to hear the child's version. Obviously हमें पता होना, जैसे कि हमारा CRPC में 313 है, similarly हमें यहाँ पे although child is not the accused here, victim here, but hearing has to be done to get the picture of the child's relationship with their parents or the family. So answer will be all. Next, which of the following statement is true? POCSO Act provides for the compensation. Yes, it provides. The medical expenses may be provided at the registration of FIR only. Both are correct. This also the question has been repeated. Now, next question. When was the POCSO Act implemented? November 14, 2012. Now, who introduced the POCSO bill? Answer is Virendra Kumar. Next, the special court under the POCSO shall follow the procedure specified in CRPC for though it will be the session trial. ठीक है, तो जहाँ पे स्पेशल कोर्ट्स है वो स्पेशल कोर्ट्स होते हैं, और जहाँ पे स्पेशल कोर्ट्स नहीं है वहाँ पे सेशन कोर्ट्स होते हैं. Presumption under section 29 of POCSO Act is mandatory. 29 and 30 both deals with the presumption और वो आपके mandatory है. Next, where a child makes a false complaint or provides a false information. तो यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है? Child false information दे रहा है. अगर child ना दे के कोई और person दे रहा है, then there is 6 months punishment. यहाँ पे लेकिन child दे रहा है, तो there will be no punishment. Mark the incorrect statement with respect to the procedure and the powers of the special court under the POCSO. So, special court may take the cognizance of any offence without the accused being committed to it for the trial upon receiving the complaint of the facts which constitute such offence or upon the police report. That is true. Special court may, if it considers necessary, permit the frequent breaks. Yes, child के लिए चाहिए होता है breaks. Yes, it can be done. Special court shall not permit the aggressive questions or the character. That is also right. Next, special court shall ensure that the child is called regularly. No, अभी हमने ऊपर बोला ना that breaks हो सकते हैं, so regularly की requirement नहीं होगी. So D is the incorrect one. So now the punishment for abatement is under section 17. The special court shall complete the trial as far as possible within the period of 1 year from the date of taking the cognizance of the offence. Okay, so that's all. These were the top 40 and important questions of the POCSO Act. The bill related questions also, and also some of the case laws and also some of the technical questions. Hope आपका revision इससे POCSO Act का हो गया होगा. And thank you very much.